little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near. And waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about. And waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love
Look at
Mary
this.
so?
It is a snow white fish.
Mary so. Why does the lamb
Bye bye.
love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Look at this. It is a eel.
Yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a broomfish. Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish. Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Uh-oh.
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Okay.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Yes.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Bye bye.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Oh no.
Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Uh-oh.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.